How to track order on PandaBuy. For this, you have to open a browser and search for www.pandabuy.com, and you will land here in this similar interface. So once you are here, you have to tap on PandaBuy at the very top. This will display a list of options that you can choose from. For this, you have to select the option of order. Then once you select the order, you have to go ahead and select the option of order details. Right here, you will find all of the purchases right here. Just go ahead and select and purchase item where you want to check the order. It will display processing if your order is still processing and has not yet hit the road. If it has hit the road, it will say that it will be delivered in certain date and time. It will also let you know once it is delivered in your doorstep. At the bottom, you can also find a link where you can go ahead and tap to go ahead and live track your order once it is being shipped to your address. Just tap on the highlighted link. And simply like that, you'll be able to order your PandaBuy item easily. Wasn't it simple? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.